Is your laptop behaving like it's 100 years old, or is it even taking forever to boot up, open apps, or even load very simple websites? God, I feel your pain, bro. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rabbi Innovations channel, your number one stop by channel for everything tech. If you are new here, kindly hit the subscribe button to get more tech related videos like this. And to our whole time subscribers, I want to say thank you for your engagement so far. Is your laptop behaving like it's 100 years old, or is it even taking forever to boot up, open apps, or even load very simple websites? God, I feel your pain, bro. So that's the reason why I'm making this video. In this video, we'll be considering the likely reasons why your laptop or your system is unnecessarily slow. And most importantly, we're going to be considering how to get it fixed without having to get a new laptop. Sounds great, right? Let's go! The first reason why your laptop can be unnecessarily slow is so many startup programs.
So when you turn on your laptop, it might be opening ton of programs you don't necessarily know or even need. That's like trying to run a race while carrying bags of cement. You already know how that will end, right? So here's how to fix this problem. If you are using Windows, click on Ctrl Shift Escape, then go to Startup tab and disable anything you don't recognize or use daily. And if you are using a Mac system, go to System Setting, then General, then Login Items, and clean it up.
The second is low RAM or memory overload.
If you've got too many browser tabs open or running heavy apps like video editors such as CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro, your RAM might be literally crying for help. Think of RAM as your laptop's short-term memory. When it's full, everything slows down, literally. So here's how to fix it. Number one is by closing unused tabs or programs. Number two is by restarting your laptop regularly. It's like making your RAM relatively less congested. And number three is consider upgrading your RAM. It's like giving your laptop a bigger brain. Try it out.
The third is full hard drive.
When your storage is almost full, your laptop starts gasping for air. Just like a patient in the intensive care unit, it needs space to operate smoothly. So here's how to fix this. Number one is by deleting unused files. Number two is by uninstalling apps you don't get to use. Number three is by using tools like CC Cleaner for Windows or Clean My Mac for Mac users to get rid of junk files. Then you can also consider moving your files to an external device or the cloud. Try it out.
The fourth is malwares or background viruses.
Malwares could be silently penetrating your system, thereby leading to your laptop slowing down. You don't have to see it for it to slow it down. So here's how you can fix malwares or background viruses. Number one is by running a full scan using Windows Defender, Malwarebytes, or any reputable antivirus software. Number two is avoid clicking on suspicious download links or links in shady emails.
Then the fifth is outdated softwares and drivers.
Running an old software is like trying to drive a car with flat tires. You can only imagine how much mileage you can cover with such a car. So here's how to fix it. If you're using Windows, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and make sure everything is current. Then on Mac, go to System Settings, General, then Software Update, and make sure you update the software. Also, consider updating your apps and drivers regularly. Trust me, it makes a difference.
Now, come closer. Here is a bonus tip. If you are still using that old school hard drive, changing to a SSD, that is a solid state drive, is a game changer. your apps open instantly. In fact, your boot time reduces from minutes to seconds. It is just like giving your laptop a brand new life. Is that not amazing? So this is one of the best upgrade you can make to your system. Using your laptop shouldn't be a pain. All you need to do is to work around one or two of these tweaks, and there you go. Hit the like button if this was helpful. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification for more tech related content like this. Drop in the comment section why your laptop is still slow, and let's fix it together. Thank you.